Hello, good day mga boss. Natin bagong unit 2021 Toyota Rush 1.5G automatic 785,000. Top of the line G variant. Push start stop engine. Automatic transmission 7 to 8 seaters family car. 1.5 liter dual VVTi gasoline engine. 42k mileage. Casa maintained. First owned. Dual cold aircon, good running condition, keyless entry, all power options, all original, with retractable mirrors, with digital aircon controls, with audio steering controls, with touchscreen head unit, with fog lamps, with spoiler, with black tent, with backing sensor, with reverse camera, with set covers, with roof trails, with DigiFit Def Dish matting, registered until October 2026. Free detailing, free change oil, free full tank, free transfer of ownership, free renewal if expired. We accept financing, 105k all-in down payment for approval. Estimated monthly amortization, 1 year 67,563. 2 years, 37,483. 3 years, 27,691. 4 years, 23,148. 5 years, 20,210. Free processing fee. Please like and follow to get updates on available units. Thank you kayo mga boss.